The campsite was only the beginning. Now the adventure truly begins. As the sun rose over Kapati Resort, Team and P woke up to another beautiful morning in Magpet. And as we prepare breakfast, let's take a closer look at one of the highlights of the expedition, our fully upgraded Blue Ford Ranger Raptor. Naka-install dito ang Option X front bull bar. And mind you, sinabak natin to sa B2B 2026. Kaya hindi lang siya pang forma, nagbibigay ito ng extra protection para sa front end ng sasakyan. Sa likod naman, we have the Option 4-wheel drive fighter rear bumper with heavy-duty steel construction, parehas naman sa front. May built-in reverse lights, plate lights, at bolt-on ang installation lang din para malinis ang fitment. Hindi na kailangan ng cutting. Di magagalaw yung mga sensor nyo kasi it is sensor compatible as well. That's enough talking, back to the camp muna tayo. Let's go! Good day Team Nats Performance, it's me Maverick. And today is day 2 of the Magpet Expedition. It's short for Magpet Expedition. You get it? Come on, you should get it. I'm currently sitting on the TJM director chair, and beside me is the TJM double swag tent. So just so you know, it opens on both sides. So ayun, we're gonna go in a range of a lot of fun activities. And what I'm excited for is the night activities. So the entire day, we're going to explore, we're going to play with the cars, and we're gonna have a fellowship. Meron tayong mga musicians mamaya na magpapatugtog. It's a very fun activity, especially when we are with the closest friends. Diba? So, tara, let's have fun today. See you! As the sun slowly rose over Kapati Resort, the campsite began to wake up. Napakaganda pakinggan ang flowing river. For a moment, everything felt calm until everyone's stomach started to make noise. Because let's be honest, camping is fun, views are amazing, but breakfast is the real reason why people get out of their tents. Thanks to Kuya Elvin and Sir Jason for beginning the morning mission. Soon, the smell of fried rice filled the campsite. Then came the eggs, the bacon, and everything else. Sarap ng breakfast dito sa Magpet. Deep within the mountains of Magpet, surrounded by lush greenery and peaceful sounds.
Is Kapati Falls. Holy shit.
As we arrived, the cool rushing water immediately welcomed the team.
Gabin! Davao City! Dito sa Davao City. Kakusog sa waves. It's like my legs are fighting the waves. Ano, G? Wait lang. Gator ka. Okay. Ala, nagtalon talaga siya. You know?
The natural pool beneath the falls became our place to refresh, swim, and make memories together. Some enjoyed the cold mountain water, some explored the area, while others simply took in the view and the peaceful atmosphere around us. After a refreshing swim at Kapati Falls, the team made their way back to our campsite feeling recharged and ready for the rest of the day. Pero, biglang umulan.
Wala na. Wala na guys. Look at the awnings being used the way they're supposed to. Oh, look oh. Yung tubig di kumakapit. So it really flows off.
This became the perfect time for our camping setup to prove itself. Our TJM awnings and rooftop tents were built for real outdoor conditions. Gawa sa durable na 280 GSM ripstop canvas and 2,500mm of PU waterproof rating. The ADA Overland Flying Wing 270S was taken over by our chefs.
Same ginubuhat niya.
Shoutout from Davao.
Shoutout from Davao.
After the rain had passed, it was time for lunch.
Lo. Pero yung likod, sir.
Sir John brought his vehicle and brought it down the river. We brought the whole setup sa ilog mismo.
Uy! Yeah!
At this point, hindi na siya mukhang lunch.
Oh,
Para na
hell
siyang
yeah.
showcase ng vehicle ni
Holy
Sir.
crap.
Ayos.
Puti kamay! Ang klase talaga, Team MP. Hindi kami magka-camp by the river. We're doing it in the river. See? We got TJM accessories right here. Tingnan nyo, pati yung TJM 360 degrees na sea wheelchair natin, ginamit nila sa river. Video!
Kahit sandali, palayain ang pusong di mapigil.
Okay dito sir, no? Enjoy pa rin. Sarap no, basta cold weather, no? Cold weather. Sarap kain. Okay lang, Sir Francis, right? Yan. Ayun.
Team MP, it's me again. I'm back. And it's currently 2:38 of Saturday, June 13. No? So, kung makikita nyo sa likod ko, we have a lechon. So, naghaanda tayo ng lechon kasi di naman talaga kompleto ang isang hangout kung walang lechon. Kaya meron tayong dalawang kuya, sila yung naghahanda ng ating lechon. So, this will be ready in around 2 to 3 hours, no? So, I think we're halfway na. And kahit malamig dito, syempre malamig talaga dito sa lugar na to. Especially because we're by the river. And kung nakita nyo kanina, we ate in the river. Doon tayo kumain ng ating lunch. So, I can't wait to taste this lechon na talaga masarap na kwentuhan at masarap na kainan. What is better than that, diba? So, tara, Team Nats Performance, kain tayo. Or let's wait for this to get cooked.
Baksita no, tara. Sakyan natin. Talon-talon tayo doon.
What?
Oh, what did you say?
If the lechon is not enough, then we'll come back to the Let's go there first. We'll introduce ourselves to him. My name is John. You are Yum Yum.
As evening finally came, everyone returned to camp. And syempre, the lechon was ready.
Ano yan?
Naka-neutral.
Wala. Putik kamay. Ginawang sasakyan ng baboy.
At ready ng lechon, yung iba na lang na mga dishes ang aming piniprepare for the dinner. We have barbecue,
1, 2, 3.
everyone gathered together, and then suddenly, the band arrived. And the campsite turned into our own little night celebration.
Magandang gabi sa lahat, mga sir, mga ma'am. Parang din sa mga couples na nabi karoon na enjoy karoon muna. Sa sobrang kabugnaw, lamig yun ay kagapos karoon. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman masana'y ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa yan, ko'y hanggan at tsakapin. Sana all hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Yeah, yeah. Natin kahit mabuti wala na.
The next morning, Sunday has arrived. The adventure was coming to an end. One by one, everyone stepped out of their tents and began packing up. The chairs that had witnessed countless stories around camp were folded. We had our final breakfast at Magpet. Awnings were now set down. Tents and stretchers. Shortly after, our guide has arrived. Siyempre, may mga iba na nagsimula na din sa pagligo before tayo aalis.
Barely doing anything. No slip. Tingnan nyo yan ah. Oh. There's like 30 degrees of inclination tapos di mahihirapan yung naka-journey na Terrano, di ba? Ibang klase. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Kung gusto nyo na mag-journey para makakapag-rides kayo sa mga maputik na daan, get it now at Nats Performance, di ba? Park Castillo, Agdao, Davao City. Pero mag-alala.
We did a little bit more of the river crossing.
Holy ano, yung blue na Raptor or blue na Ranger. Good day, Team MP. So, umalis na tayo sa campsite which is down there lang. And ngayon, gagawa lang tayo ng game plan kung paano tayo lalabas dito, no, because medyo mahirap yung daan pa uwi. So, pero sure na sure ako kayang-kaya ng mga unit natin, diba? From the Hilux all the way to the Ranger na blue right over there. So, hi Ma'am Jenny, uwi na tayo. Hi guys. Uwi na tayo, diba? So, napaka-angas, diba? Kasi Sunday tayo uwi. Oh, air down daw. So, mukhang intense talaga to.
It was time to prepare for the trail out of Magpet. It was time to air down. Look at this TJM digital tire deflator. Our trail guide had a bit of experience previously na because he said that he was once an enduro driver.
Taso kamay. Dito ligid.
this point, since madami na masyadong mga butas-butas sa daan, we had to use the big boys. Thanks to the Dirty Life beadlock wheels, some of us could confidently run lower tire pressures na di na magwo-worry sa tire na magse-separate sa wheel. And sa punto na to, ang tour guide namin na Jimny is naghang yung sasakyan. Kaya we had to get our TJM recovery rope. Yung Jimny kasi nakahang siya. This is what 4x4 and trailing is about. Helping each other, diba? Brotherhood. Ayan, TJM recovery kit. Full diligently now. Nakita nyo naman. Op! Pinalak. TJM power. Take the lead. Diba? As the gladiator is doing it himself. He's taking the lead using TJM. Siko. TJM strap.
TJM strap, let's go.
In the middle of nowhere. Freaking days. Look at the terrain here. And look at that beast. Oh, tara. Yun. Diba? Nice and easy with the Journey tires. Napakalakas ni Sir Gilbert. Sheesh! Power na unit. One of our teammates got his tire fall on a hole. Kaya yung Warn VR Evo 12S came to the rescue. And dahil sa lalim ng butas, it looks like it was a job for two.
Okay. Hop. Ano ba? Bumper no.
Let's go! Come on!
At ayun, successful ang aming rescue. Winches as strong as these are available at Nats Performance. Get yours now.
This one, the Jimny. Na ating guide.
Kuha ng Jimny, na-scam.
Hello?
Ang guard, na-scam.
Ano pangalan mo kuya?
Nel.
Nel. Maverick kuya, Maverick. From Nats Performance.
Nel Taps.
Ating pangmalakasang guide.
Ang guard, na-scam.
Pero at least malakas yung guide, di ba?
Naikuan sir, naikuan o. Palkata na tumba, birahon lagwin siguro. No? Birahon na to? Oo. Sige. Ikaw lang na sir?
Oh. May bagong obstacle guys. Sabi ni kuya. Uy. Ayun. Ito. This is one of the great examples in which you can use the winch. Yun. Naputol. Pinutol to kuya no?
Hindi. Ay.
Iputol. Hindi lang nakuha.
Tamba.
Tingnan nyo. Pinablock ng puno. Na-block ng puno yung daanan natin. Diba? Feels so straight out of a dream pala. Ah. Ito guys. Yung Waymakers. Let's go. Pull, pull, pull. Move side, side, side. Guys, balik na ata tayo. Randy! Sir Randy!
Good day, Team Nats Performance. So, tapos na. Nakalabas na talaga tayo sa trail na dinaanan natin. Palabas doon. Well, that was optional, no? Pero this was the closest way. The other way around. So, it was like 1 kilometer lang siguro. 1 or 2 kilometers. Ganun. Tapos, diba, ito yung mga unit nakalabas. Lahat tayo nakalabas doon. Thank God. Thank God, no? And obviously, because of teamwork,
possible yun. Possible yung nagawa natin. We have the Patrol. We have the Hilux. We have the Raptor. And Ranger, Terrano, and yung Hilux. Putik kamay yung Hilux nandun. Alam nyo guys, doon ako nakasakay. Tas doon ako sa likod nakasakay kasi di na ma-fit sa loob. Kaya doon ako sa likod. Grabe. Kagat na kagat yung muscles ko. Kahit wala upside down yung muscles ko eh. Pero kasi iwan ako. Just kidding. Tignan niyo yung view. Ganda dito. So majestic. So na umuwi. Uwi na tayo. Nakakapagod nun, pero enjoy na enjoy. Super. That's nice.
After conquering the trail, dumating naman ang next step, ang pabalik sa normal biyahe. This is where the TJM Pro Series twin air compressor became our best friend. At ayun, aired up na ulit ang mga gulong. It was time to leave Magpet behind. Habang umalis kami, yung putik sa sasakyan, hindi na lang siya simpleng dumi. It became a reminder. Reminder ng lugar na napuntahan, ng challenges na nalampasan, at ng mga memories na nabuo. At reminder, kailangan nating dumaan sa mga hindi pamilyar na daan para mas ma-appreciate natin yung journey. Everything that we left in the mountains will stay as it is. Pero yung mga sandaling pinagsamahan natin, yan ang dadalhin natin pa uwi. Thank you for joining us on this journey and hanggang sa susunod na trail. This was Magpet Expedition 2026.